Have you ever felt like you messed up too much for God to use you? Or maybe you felt like with all of the blessings God has given you, you shouldn't be as behind as you are. There have been many times in my life where I felt that I wasn't good enough for God to use me. My life hasn't been perfect. I've had my share of mistakes that have drawn me away from God. It's funny how you can think your testimony, your gifts, your acquired skills aren't enough for the one who created you. The Bible says in Philippians 1:6, being confident of this very thing, that he who has begun a good work in you will complete it until the day of Jesus Christ. Listen, I want you to understand that God not only wants to use you wherever you're at, but he's never, ever walking away from you. Whatever he started in your life, he fully intends on completing. Even when we feel hindered, inadequate, or even rearing off the path that he set for us, his grace keeps working. You, beloved, are a work in progress, not the finished product. You have to believe that God's timeline is perfect for your life. In other words, it's going to happen because God said so. It's going to happen because the Bible says that God watches after his word. So take the pressure of being perfect and having it all together off. In the moments when life feels messy, remember, God is patient with your growth. Thanks for joining me for another 1 Minute on Purpose.